Hello my friend. Today I want to describe effective factors on thrust and briefly describe them. First factor is jet nozzle velocity. Increase in jet nozzle velocity causes increase in thrust. Second factor is inlet air velocity. Increase in inlet air velocity causes decrease in thrust. So maximum thrust is when that engine is in interior. Third factor is ram effect. When aircraft speed increase, as a result, mass of air that enter to engine will increase, and so thrust will increase. In other hand, when inlet air velocity increase, as a result, thrust decrease. So these two factors are in contract with each other. Now, at a speed above 350 miles per hour, influence of ram effect is more than inlet air velocity. Fourth factor is RPM. When RPM increase, as a result, thrust increase, and in upper RPMs, this effect is more. Fifth is pressure ratio. Pressure ratio has big effect on thrust. In gas turbine engine, there is no limitation on pressure ratio, and so pressure ratio isn't constant and follow RPM. And pressure ratio at upper RPM is almost 100%. Sixth factor is weather condition. Mass of air has direct effect on thrust, and so each factor that has effect on mass of air, it has effect on thrust. For example, if air pressure increase, so density will increase, and as a result, mass of air will increase, and so thrust will increase. Seventh factor is height. Height effect on thrust follow air density. So when height increase, as a result, air pressure decrease, and so density decrease, and as a result, thrust decrease. Eighth factor is humidity. Unlike piston engine, humidity has no result on gas turbine engine because just 25% of inlet air will consumption for combustion. Thanks for attention, my friend.